In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Microsoft Teams before a meeting. This is really helpful if you want to make sure your camera, microphone, and overall connection are working properly before you join a real call. It only takes a few minutes, and it can save you a lot of stress once your actual meeting starts. First, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser. Once you're on the main page, look for the option that says Meet. This is usually where you would go to start or schedule a meeting. Go ahead and click on Meet. By doing this, you're starting the process of creating a test meeting that only you need to join. After you click Meet, you'll see an option that says Create a Meeting Link. This is exactly what we want, because it lets Teams generate a unique meeting link, just like the ones you receive in real invitations. Click on Create a Meeting Link. Think of this as creating a safe, private space where you can check your audio and video without anyone else joining in. Next, you'll see a button or option that says Create and Copy Link. Click on that. When you do this, Teams will generate the link and automatically copy it to your clipboard. You don't have to send this link to anyone. For this test, it's only for you. If you want, you can paste it into a new browser tab or into a note. But in most cases, you can simply move to the next step right from this screen. Now, you'll see a button that says Join. Go ahead and click Join to enter your own meeting. This will open the familiar Teams meeting lobby where you can see your camera preview and adjust your settings before actually joining. Once you're in the lobby, take a moment to check your camera. Make sure your image is clear, your background looks the way you want, and your lighting is decent. Then, check your microphone and speakers by speaking out loud and looking for the microphone indicator to move. You can also open the device settings in Teams to choose the correct microphone, speakers, or headset. When you're done testing and everything looks and sounds good, you can simply leave the meeting. Now you're ready and confident for your real Microsoft Teams call.